Okay, down on other part, let's go to the sensor function. Press it once and you can tell that there is 1 beep. If I press it again, 2 beep. Press it again, 3 beep for barometer. Press mode to go back to timekeeping mode. Alright, without looking at the time, if I press sensor, I know I'm at altimeter function because I heard 1 beep. There it is. If I press again, I know I'm at the compass because I heard 2 beep. Now I heard 3 beep, so I know I'm at the barometer functions. Press mode to go back to timekeeping mode. So this watch will go to the last sensors mode that you opened up. Now if I press sensor again, we will hear 3 beep, which barometer. There it is. First is the altimeter functions. This will be changed in height based on atmospheric pressure, and it will also be shown using this graphic up here. You can press adjust to see how many meters in height have been changed every seconds. Basically there is minus 25, 26 meter, and this part will also show change in height as well. The range for this is 0 until plus 30 meter and also 0 to minus 30 meter. So in this case there's only 1 bar plus or minus over there in change of height, so that's why you're not gonna notice as much. As long as you keep this one open, the minimum, maximum, ascending and descending data from recall function will be stored. Okay, now on that, press sensor will enter the compass. This is where you could check the direction you are pointing at. 3 graphic there will show to north, and up here will show to south, of course, and all the 4 direction. Let's say I'm going to save this 204-degree data. All I need to do is press forward, and there it is. Bearing 204, this data is saved, and now I could point to any other direction, and without no worry, I still remember this part. And this 204-degree data will be shown using this one graphic over here. 3 graphic will keep pointing to north, and the 12 o'clock direction of this watch will be for this part, and current local time will be displayed at the middle part here. If I want to save everything over here, all I need to do is press reverse and hold it. Record will beep, and everything will be recorded and saved at recall function as well. So if anything goes wrong, all I need to do is press adjust and to calibrate the watch. This is bi-directional calibration, and this is the magnetic declination correction. Based on your location, you can Google it up. Mine is at 7 degree, and press adjust. Now the compass will add 7 degree to the original reading, so to get more accurate, of course. Okay, next is barometer. Up here will be graph barometer for 42 hours, almost 3 days, so you could see the pattern up and down, so you'll know that it is raining and not raining during the past couple of days. This will be the thermometer, 32.8 degrees Celsius. This is atmospheric pressure now in hectopascal measurement. Up here will be shown if there are any sudden change in atmospheric pressure, plus 10 or minus 10. So far not a lot have been changed, so that's why you're not going to see any of graphic indicator up here. You press forward in this setting and hold it. Info will be light on, and this is also a neat way for you to tell if there are any sudden change in atmospheric pressure. It will show arrow pointing down, is the pressure is going down or up, or down and moving back up. And this graph over here will be minimized to only 1 day. Now if you press mode, and we'll go back to timekeeping mode, and you press adjust here, you could tell that it will save based on that specific barometric setting just now. Press sensor, 3 beep, so we know at barometric pressure, so press adjust. To begin setting up, if this temperature reading is inaccurate at or minus 1 degree, press mode to change this as well, plus minus 1 atmospheric pressure in hectopascal measurement, and basically hit press adjust to set everything up, and we're done on this part. If you want to save this setting again, press reverse and hold it to record, and we are safe now. Now let's go have a look at save data at recall. There it is. Just now I already saved at 18 data. There should be 20 now because we already saved new data Here is 19th data. This is the time for any moment that you want to save. This is the also time. This will be the reading, compass reading, which I already saved this now. This will be the barometer reading, which I already saved as well. 32.7 degree, date and time. This data was saved as well. Max and minimum will be added based on the altimeter, which during the whole time I switched that setting on. Okay, press mode. We'll go back to press mode and hold it, and we'll go back to timekeeping mode and press the light button just to see how it will light up in the dark. Bluish. That is how it. Okay. Zoom out. Okay, that is all it on this. Some demonstration on how to operate and setting up your arrangement. I hope you guys found the video useful as well. Thank you very much for watching us. This is gshock channel, and